Hey guys, I'm David.
And I'm Aaron.
And we are Adventures of David and Aaron. So we're taking a little walk through the islands over to our cabana. We were waiting for the shuttle, but it was just taking a little too long. The shuttles aren't very prompt. That's the only, I guess, negative side of this trip that if I had to complain about anything, and complaining does no good, you're on island time. So other than that, the walking's not bad and it's good exercise. And you get a better view. And like Aaron just said, you get a nice breeze.
How often can you walk on Half Moon Cay?
Exactly. This is something you don't get to do every day. So we're gonna go grab some lunch, and the rest of the day is beach day. Yeah, then we're gonna head out to the beach. So how was your lunch? It was alright. I think he's a little tired from swimming with the stingrays, guys. So I'm gonna take you over, give you a quick shot of the food area. They're very limited seating here at Half Moon Cay, but other than that, it's been a good trip with us. Lunchtime, guys, is what I'm talking about. All kinds of good food. Potato salad, roasted broccoli, and then over there, guys, you got hamburgers and hot dogs. So guys, check out these desserts. That is your island barbecue lunch here at Half Moon Cay. Alright guys, we found our home for the day. Hopefully we can get some drink service. More relaxing on the beach all day. Pretty nice.
Yeah, but somebody was already in here. Somebody already opened up and take the food.
No, they didn't.
The one that opened it, and that's over there. And the cups are dirty.
Hey guys, so welcome to cabana number 13. With this cabana, you get 4 pool floaties, snorkel equipment, 2 loungers, ceiling fan, air conditioning. There was supposed to be some fruit and vegetables and sodas, but apparently before we got to our cabana, someone had welcomed themselves. We're asking to speak to a representative from Carnival because they assured us things would be okay, which they were not. So on that note, I'm a little displeased about it, but you know, things happen, so I'm not going to let it ruin my vacation. Alright guys, so those are all different types of cabanas that you can rent from through the shore excursions desk. He's coming your all's way.
That's amazing.
Take a picture? You get a picture of him?
Yeah, I recorded him.
Was he moving?
Of course he was. So little sand crab. These bicycles, guys, are really cool. Check these out. They're $40 an hour to rent. See it? $40 an hour for that on Half Moon Cay. Guys, check out this water. Look how clear it is. Look, can you see my feet? Never seen water so clear. Beautiful here. Alright guys, so we're back on the ship from Half Moon Cay. Now we're going to go up to customer service and take care of a few things. If you're traveling on the Carnival Conquest, a little surprise and hidden tip for you: go to deck 10 forward, all the way forward of the ship. As you get forward to the ship, take a left. You'll see this door. Go through it, and you will find this nice little viewing area of the ship. Over here is Half Moon Cay. Beautiful island. Beautiful clear blue waters. It does go all the way around. So guys, I hope you found this information useful. Please leave a comment below if you've been on the Carnival Conquest before, and if you know about Deck 10. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, give this video a thumbs up. And guys, remember, enjoy life, make it an adventure.
Today in Half Moon Cay. What a beautiful day, beautiful weather for you. And now you're all back on board. Now, I saw some of you on that tender boat back, and I know you've gone straight for a nap. That's absolutely fine. I know we've got lots of great events tonight for you not to miss out. But if you are up and about still, and you want something to do, we've got lots of great stuff going on in the gift shops. At 5 o'clock, we've got our Colour Diamonds sale and raffle. Our FE experts are going to be taking that one, and also there is a massive clearance sale event happening with up to 70% off discounts, and you'll find a wide selection of costume jewellery, watches, clothing, accessories, bags and much more. And that's already started. It's going to be going on for a while, and you're going to get a free raffle ticket as well for going in, which will be prizes given out at 6:30 PM. Now also coming up at 5 o'clock, we've got our ladies pamper party, and that's going to be right up there in the spa. It's a 21 plus event, but that's an 18 plus event. Ladies pamper party in the spa Carnival deck 11 forward, where you'll get free treatments up in the spa. So ladies who fancy doing that one, come on over as well. And remember, the pixels are going to be open very soon, and all your photos taken today on the beach from the last few days are ready to be reviewed. You can check them out on the Fun Hub app, or by going to the Pixel Galleries and using them iPads there. So visit the Pixel Gallery on deck 4 forward to see the amazing deals. Now if you buy one canvas, you're going to get one 8x10 picture for free and a digital file. If you go for two, you get the second canvas for 50% off. So, and also a special deal right now in the Pixels Gallery, go and check out the GoPro 6. Amazing discount on this cruise, only $100 off, and that's going to be in the Pixels Gallery deck 4 forward. Now at 5 o'clock, the shore excursion desk is going to open, and we've got one more port call tomorrow in Nassau, Bahamas. If you still not got anything to do, remember Atlantis is the hotspot in Nassau. It's like going to France and not seeing the Eiffel Tower. Atlantis Aqua Adventure is still available as well, where you get to enjoy the water park and see all the famous stuff at the Atlantis Resort, including the casino and the aquariums, and also all the shops there as well. So that's the Atlantis Aqua Adventure Tour, still available. And you can also ask them about the Carnival MasterCard. If you've not applied yet, you can apply on board and earn up to 20,000 fun points, which is enough to redeem for a $200 statement credit on the next cruise. So that will be at the shore excursion desk, deck 3 forward, and that's going to open at 5 o'clock. But also coming up in 20 minutes from now is one of my favourite events of the cruise. We're going to do our military appreciation gathering. That's going to be at 5 o'clock in the Daggers Lounge, deck 5 at Yacht, and it is a special
guys, so today is Wednesday, August the 29th, 2018, and we are in beautiful Nassau, Bahamas. So welcome to the Bahamas. Today you have another fun-packed adventure day for us. Today we are going to go on a snorkeling adventure, and hopefully Aaron is going to have another opportunity to learn to snorkel, and for the first time
See some sea turtles.
and swim with sea turtles.